Okay, I'm going to tape this area up here a little bit. So I just put a little tape around that. So I pulled off this band here, so I can see what it was. It's a CompuFire starter. It's a big dollar starter, but that's how they make it look chrome. They put a piece of stainless over it. Stupid. Alright, so I'm going to paint that, and I'm going to put a little paint up over here too. Clean that up slightly. So nothing fancy, quick and dirty. I'll do my can to paint it right here. So we'll just see how this works. There you go. Fog coat. We'll let that set for a minute or two, and we'll come back and hit it again. Kind of flash off. We're using engine paint, and this is the stuff I can't get no more. Different label now. Probably the same damn crap, but different label. I put the coats on nice and thick so they'll run as best I can. All right. Fumes in here. What's up with that? There you go. Highfalutin paint job. A little bit goes a long way, see? Put up under there. Not too bad from this angle here. What the hell's that mark right there? What the hell caused that? That'll cause that mark. Alright, yeah, well, that's weird. I don't know how you can miss a little spot like that, because you know everything else is painted. I must have hit it with a rag or something coming out. I don't know. Not sure how that one happened. Might just be light. I think it's light. I think it's just a reflection. Alright, there you go. That's how you do that one. So, good enough. And always outside. Just don't want to smell a bunch of paint fumes. Alright. Quick and dirty. That's how we do it around here. Yeah, look good enough. That'll just fog in over there, I guess. I can take it and give it a wipe line. This is one of those deals, do you leave it or do you screw with it? Okay, that's the powder coat over there, so I'm leaving it. Yeah, that's a bad finish, see? Okay, we're good. We'll leave it. Any overspray over there? Nope, that's stock. Alright, good to go. Alright, so now I might as well think about putting some clips up in here and let's see what they look like. Haven't used these clips yet, so let's see if they're any good. You never know until you try them, right? First thing I do is figure out where I want to put it. So, get over where everybody can see, including me. Okay, I want that to come across as tight as I can get it. Up like that. I want to go right across here. Bend in it. So stick that clip right there. Sure it's clean. Let's see here. Try to get this crap off of here. And it came off. If this doesn't work, there's always the hot glue gun. So I push with it. Okay. So, bend that so decent fit. There you go, one end. I don't know if you get a good view of that, but there it is. Put the lower one in and the upper one out. It looks like it only took about 3/8 of an inch max. So hopefully it's enough room. I had to thicken my fingers in there, so that should be plenty of room. This side here is a lot tighter, but we'll see. Okay. So I guess I'll just put some more in there. It's going to wind up being way down here when I'm done. I'm not sure how we're going to do this, so. I don't think we're going to have too many clips. I got a big pack of them here, so I might as well use them. Probably go bad from sitting anyway, so. There we go. About 3 inches, I guess, would be a good spot. Two down. Seems like a workable combination going on here, so just keep it up. Better have too many than not enough. The wire only has to come out once to cause a big problem, so. And I'm sure at some point one of these clips will fail. Nose picker comes in handy for sticking X and pushing a nice speed on. So it pushes hard, like a screwdriver. Okay. All right, over that area. So got 5 of these. We got 5 of them in here. I think I got 25 of these, so I got extras. So. Oh, a bit too low on that one, but oh well. Once it's stuck, it's stuck. See, it's getting the tape in there good, so just over here we can see a little better. So I take my nose picker here and come right across here. Wedge them in. There's no visibility where you're at. Down lower, I guess. Coming right here. Get it squeezed in the middle. And flip it sideways and flush it this way. These are aluminum, so they're bendable. They'll follow the contour. Across the middle again. Okay, they should be stuck pretty good. That over and fold the top over. Crush it in there. There you go. Easy peasy. I don't know if you can see very well on that either way. Maybe it's too low. I don't know. Alright, so now I gotta go across here somehow, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. I don't want to be a sharp edge right there, so let's go over here and see what we can do. Let's see, figure out something to do here. So, on the advantage of the hoist, you just move it over. If the chain stays put, it'd be nice. Okay, so now we're over here again, where it's easy to work on. So I want to go underneath the frame. Probably just do a big bend. Put a zip tie right there to hold it. And do that. And that needs to be a pretty good zip tie so it doesn't come off. If it comes loose, we lose everything. Zip tie is too small. Short zip tie there. Oh, nice. All my black short zip ties are missing. Where's that big box at that I had? Somewhere there should be a big bundle of black zip ties. I don't know what I did with them. Zip tie, it's a squirter. Oh. Let's see here. I don't know what the hell that is up there, but I know what I'm looking for. Great. Somewhere had a big bundle of zip ties. Let's see what's up here. Zip tie. Those are zip ties, but not the ones I want. Great. Oh well. So these nice. Oh, there they are. I knew I had them someplace. Why are they not in the drawer where they belong? I put these ones in here. Oh, these are the expensive ones, that's why they're over here. These are the cheap ones here, so put the expensive ones in there. I know there's more of these somewhere, but all right, we're gonna use this one.